Hello netizens, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Min Liu and I with my friend Pong. So, in this video, we will show you another menu from my friend Pong. What are you going to cook now?
Ginisang sardinas with sitaw.
Ginisang sardinas with string beans. So, I can't really understand the whole sentence, but I can a little bit understand Filipino language because I'm really good in English. Just sorry. Oh, my friend, I'm very thankful and I'm very grateful to have my friend like him because he's always, see, he is so sweet and very, so sweet and very salty. Sometimes he is bitter in his life, and he's always looking for someone who really loves him. But finally, eventually, the person, it's been a long time he prayed for that person. Finally, he got it. And now, they are on the process in their relationship. Oh.
Parang liit ko, layo-layo ka konti. Yan. Pero parang liit ko.
He looks like petite, but in reality and the actual presentation, actual faces. He is so big.
Pahinga akong pera.
Hala!
Pabili ka magic sarap.
Diyan po ginawa ko may bari pa kung So now, I will show you the sardines there and the string beans. So, he is really good in cooking. So if you want to invite him or to hire him to cook for you, yeah, for your dinner or lunch or breakfast, you just text him or you just message him on his messenger, on his Facebook phone. So yeah, and yeah, we have anchovy. Yeah, so I love anchovy ever, and I love dried fish. I really love dried fish. So it's so tasty. Sorry, my friend. I'm trying my best to speak English. Actually, I don't know how to speak English well. I am not really good in English, even in writing. I don't know. I'm not good in everything. But I hate it. Okay. The problem to my friend, he's using magic sarap every time he cooks. But I don't know. I want to taste the food he prepared. But every time I saw the way he prepared the food, I'm so stressful. It's very stressful. And no, I don't say that. I don't say that. I'm so stressful because he mixed magic sarap in the food. No, I don't like magic sarap.
Pero kain ka naman ng
But my friend, I love it. I love it. Look at the way. I love it like his eyes.
It tastes like a wow.
He looks like an Indian, a local Indian in the Philippines. I think his mother is an Indian, right?
No.
No. Is she a mother of your Filipino?
What?
Ah,
Yes.
yes.
She is the real Filipino.
Filipina. Ah, sorry. Filipina. The female is Filipino and the male, the female is Filipina and the male is Filipino. Sorry for that. So look at my friend. So we will wait for how many minutes? Oh, I don't eat that, huh? If we will wait for 1 hour. I don't like a BG like
No.
softy and fluffy. I don't like that. I don't like saggy taste. No, I don't like that. I like normal and half cook. He likes eating dilis in Filipino. Yeah. What can you say?
About
You say anything about your ano? Oh my God, we will continue, my friend, our marites. I know. My friend, we have an agreement to this day, right? This day, that every time we talk each other, we don't need to enter any topics, especially his past, because the boy would be the jowa niya na he will get anger. So we will just to choose the words that we're going to use and we're going to talk about, especially the topic. It's really hard. Do you like this?
very much.
Oh, very much. How much? Why your teeth like that? Is the two teeth? It's like a vampire, like a saga. Did you watch the movie? Have you watching movie? Ay, vampire saga. Oh my God! It's disgusting. Do you have a friend like this? Like him? Oh my God, so disgusting. God, I feel all the waters on my face.
Gago ka kasi.
What's funny, my friend? What's funny? Look at me. Answer me. What's funny?
Nothing.
She laugh at my face because I have a saggage.
What's that kid?
A sagged face.
Wait, that's a rocky road.
No.
Rocky face.
What about you? We're the same, but I'm more
More rocky.
More rocky.
Rockier
And
than me.
no, it's a crooked face.
Pangalan.
It's a Wait, sa photo na ka. I thought what?
You look like
I thought that the boy that the courtship, the boy, he will get it on February 14 because February 14 is a Valentine's Day, so they plan to celebrate their first day on February 14, and I anticipated that. I'm sure he will answer you on February 14 because it's Valentine's Day.
he already did.
But really? He accepted already? He accepted already? When? Oh. It's so fast. If the person wanted to court me, I'm sure. I think but you're not already in relationship with him, that guy.
No, couple.
Couple? Oh my God, I'm so happy. Now you are now not a single, you are a double.
Yeah,
So if you have time, just put preservation, deluxe, or economy. It's among the three. Oh my God. It's so fast. Lalo Pong is not, he's not a single now. He's a single. He's you know, he's a kabajuwa and really in a relationship na siya. So, oo na siya doon. Ingon mo sa ilhalo. So, unya, pag kamo nagka-relationship na, so ano man mo maingon? Asa mo ka doon? Oo nga.
Manto din, sa mandi mo puli.
O, magbabay na tayo. So, that's it, netizens. I'll just show you. Oh, pa-cute ka nga daw Pong. Ayan. So, if you want to hire him as your personal cook, you just message him.
Parang cute-cute.
Ang cute no. Tapon.
Aray.
So, magbabay ka na.
Bye.
Bye! See you next year. 20 cents. Ayan. So,
See you next week.
see you next week. Bye, Pong. Congratulations, Pong. And I'm happy for you, Pong. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh! Oh! Bye, netizens.